Oh, wow. Give me a minute. Morning, tubers. Whoa, nice day. I'm sitting on the hood of the Camry '02, and I've started a lot of videos, haven't posted them, different stupid shit, whatever. Yesterday, very rainy day, I went out to start the Camry and lights are flashing on the dash, things kind of strange. After about 3 tries it started, I decided not to drive it. And today, let's just look at things to see if it is a problem, what's going on. But before I even try to crank it up while it's cold, first thing I'm gonna do is I got the multimeter. Let's see what the battery looks like. Actually, the strut is pretty nice here. That still works. Okay. Yeah, we're here at the battery. So the first thing you want to look at with the battery is how much corrosion and is anything loose. Well, the battery itself is a little loose, the hold down, but the actual clamps are tight. So that's good. Next thing I want to check is, let's see what the voltage is just sitting there overnight. So we touch a probe here and a probe there. 12.1 volts. So voltage wise, it is still reading, I would say, in the acceptable range. This is a 518 battery, so 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Ooh, it's on the old side. I'm gonna guess that battery is probably dying. I'll tell you what. Why don't you come on inside the truck with me and we'll crank this puppy up and see what it does. Okay. Here we are. Okay, let's make sure we got a few things right. It is in park. Brake on. My foot is on the brake. Ooh, that's a slow crank though. That is a really it should just pop right over. So let's go out and see what the alternator, generator, whatever the hell you want to call it. Let's take a reading now and see what kind of voltage we've got. So, back to the battery. Take out the old voltmeter. If you don't know how to use one of these things, watch somebody else's video, because I barely know how. I've got a consistent 14.3 volts. So I'm going to say this actually does need a new battery. With it being that old on the sticker, and yesterday it's talking to me. Slow start today. That's the problem. Easy fix. And I might also throw some other junk in at the end of this video. Yep, all the fluids look good. Everything looks nice. And hey, just in case you don't notice it, the mouse head is still hanging tough. It's looking a little wet and soggy, but that thing is just bonded to the hood of the car. Okay, tubers, good morning. So what have I been doing? Well, I'm going to reveal that I've been working on a prototype for a self-driving car. That's right. Yours truly, self-driving car. I've been taking this '02 Camry and modifying it. And this is just a prototype, like nuclear fusion. It only works for a few seconds, but come on into the cockpit and sit down in the driver's seat and we'll show you what I've done. Now, I've approached this different. Instead of using the normal kind of chips and different things that are supplied from China, I've decided to go with a biomass for my computing power. Damn, I got no keys. Well, I got no computing power and I got no keys. wait a minute, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I've got some keys, so you know we're good. All right, so we climb in, and like I said, I'm using biocomputing power instead of the regular chip power. So, I've been testing this now for about 3 months, and it's not working as good as I want, but as you can see, well, you really can't. I thought it would come out clearer than that. What a shame. There we go. Can you see it? Okay, there it is. What I've done is I've grafted a mouse head onto the car and connected it to the car's ECU. And eventually I will be getting full computing power that will allow me to have a self-driving car. That's it, folks. That's what I'm doing right now. Trying to attach a mouse head to the car's computer and get me a self-driving car. If this works right and even can just only turn left, the next thing you know, I'll be plugging somebody else's head on the hood. Yeah, and won't that get you in trouble with PETA?